Whether you're building new, remodeling, doing it yourself or hiring it out, most failures are built in on day one. Wrong substrate, wrong waterproofing method, or mixing systems that were never meant to work together. It passes inspection, and 4 to 7 years later, it leaks. Waterproofing is where most showers go wrong. Tile and grout are not waterproof. The waterproofing system behind it is what protects your home. Liquid membrane? Sheet membrane? Foam board system? They all work, if they're installed correctly and used as a complete system. Most failures happen when someone mixes brands, skips steps, or doesn't understand the standard behind the method. Grout cracking? Loose tile? That's usually movement underneath. NCA 108 and NTCA standards exist for a reason. They define substrate prep, mortar coverage, movement joints. The technical details most homeowners never hear about. But here's the problem. Contractors speak technical. Manufacturers speak product. Homeowners just want to know what to buy, who to hire, and what to avoid. That's where I come in. Home Tile and Stone breaks down the technical information into simple, practical guidance. If you're hiring it out, I help you know what system should be used, what questions to ask, and what red flags to look for. If you're doing it yourself, I help you understand what materials to use, what not to mix, and what steps cannot be skipped. Thinset coverage matters. Substrate prep matters. Movement joints matter. But most homeowners are shopping based on color and price. The biggest tile mistake happens before the first tile is set. During selection and planning. Wrong product for the application. Guarantees failure later. When you understand the system behind the tile, you protect your investment. You avoid leaks. You avoid another remodel. You avoid paying twice. This isn't about fear. It's about prevention. 9 out of 10 tile jobs fail because homeowners were never given the right information. You don't need to become an installer. You just need to understand the system. Home Tile and Stone. Independent guidance before you build. Full details below. Independent build risk review, link in bio.